Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Pattie from Pattie's Polish Corner. Here are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. For my base, I chose these two Sally Hansen nail polishes. This one is called Bordeaux Glow and the pink one is called Pinky Promise. I tried to blend the two colors together using this brush, but it really didn't turn out how I imagined it would. And for these two, I tried doing it with more wet polish and this is how it turned out. But since I'm going to be stamping over this, it doesn't matter. The plate I'm going to be using is Ejiubas EJB-X05. That actually looks really cool. I'm going to try to cover up some of the red with the pink polish to see if I can stamp on the other two nails. I covered up some of the red with the pink polish and now I'm going to wait for it to dry and then try stamping again. I love it. Let's add a top coat. Since I want to make sure the stamping doesn't smudge, I'm going to use my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. I'm going to try out the Sally Hansen matte top coat to see how it looks. Now we wait for it to dry. Once the matte top coat dries, this is what the manicure looks like and I really like the matte finish. What about you guys? Do you prefer the matte finish or the shiny finish? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!